Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Banks and this is all things beauty. So I did receive my Onyx box today, so I was super excited because I heard I may have gotten an item in it that I would really love. So I can't wait to share this unboxing with you. And I just want to say to all my existing subscribers, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much. And if you have not subscribed yet, okay, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. This channel is going to be so fun. It's going to be all things beauty, okay? So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So stay tuned for my unboxing of my Onyx. Hey guys, yes, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this Onyx unboxing, and this box is for the month of June. And with all beauty subscription boxes, you get this description card that not only tells you the name of each product that you received in the box, but it also gives you a brief description of each product plus the retail value. And this month's theme is Brazilian bombshell. Okay, so that sounds really exciting. So let's get started. Hey guys, so the first items that are sitting on top is this Pure Lease mask. Okay guys, so yes, the Pure Lease or Perlease, but I think it's called Pure Lease mask. Both of them together are worth $16, and I did receive a green tea plus vitamin C mask that is supposed to help with brightening. So it's supposed to moisturize and clarify. And then I received a coconut and rice mask that is supposed to be moisturizing and soothing, so very nourishing for the skin. So I can't wait to try these out. I enjoy using masks whenever I do my facials, and when I try these out, I will make sure to review these items and give you my feedback. Okay guys, so the next items in the box are for the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So they did send me a discount card in the box, and then they also sent a 75 milliliter sample. Okay guys, so this Bum Bum Cream is retailed at $20 and it is 75 ml. So this is definitely a deluxe size, and it is that salted caramel and pistachio. And it supposedly has a hint of shimmer in it so that you can have radiant skin, so to give that illusion of radiancy with your skin. So I'm super excited to have received this. And I did receive one in my BoxyCharm box, and I will compare the two at the end of this video. Hey guys, so the next thing in my box is this RK Kiss bronzing powder. Okay guys, so this all over glow bronzing powder is retailed for $3. And it is supposed to be luminous and add some radiancy to your skin. It's supposed to give you that sun-kissed appeal. This is not necessarily my cup of tea. I don't like metallic or glittery bronzers. I like a matte bronzer, but it may be somebody's cup of tea, so I am not going to open it or swatch it. I am just going to give it away to someone who may want it. But that's not my cup of tea. I don't even like shimmery blush. The only thing I want to have some shimmer to it, and I want it to be more of a natural shimmer, not like a glitter shimmer, is my highlighter for my face. Other than that, the only glitters that I apply to my face are metallics or shimmers, is to my eyelids and maybe my lips if I'm feeling festive. So I'll add it to my lips then. But yeah, so this was retail valued at $3, and it is full size. Guys, so the next item in the box is from a brand called Nomad, and it is called Desert Sands, and it is an intense eyeshadow. Okay guys, so this Nomad Cosmetics intense eyeshadow in the color Desert Sands is retailed for $6, and it is supposed to be a very vivid, vibrant, buttery eyeshadow, which I can attest it was very buttery, because you see from the swatch, I did swatch it, so it's very buttery, and it is infused with argan oil. Wow. So which is really cool, and it's supposed to be smooth, and crease proof, and it's supposed to be long wearing, and it is a deluxe size, so it is a full size. So it's very bright, vibrant, as you can see, and the color is very intense, and it's swatched very well. The only other test is to apply it to the eyes, and I will demonstrate that in another video. Guys, so last but not least is this deep treatment butter. I am not going to even attempt to butcher that name, but this is a deep treatment butter. Okay, guys, so this deep treatment butter retailed for $29, and this is supposed to be a daily deep treatment conditioner, and it's supposed to contain some peroxic oil extract. I hope I'm saying that right. Which is supposedly a miracle oil from Brazil, and it supposedly has tons of antioxidants and nutrient-rich butters to help restore and protect hair from future damage if you already have damage. And it intensely hydrates the hair without weighing it down. So I am a natural girl. When I take my braids down, which will be soon, I will definitely, after doing more research, and if I find that this stuff is safe for my natural hair, I will be testing it out, and I will do a video letting you know how it worked. I may even do a video just using it so you can see firsthand my reaction to it. But I'm going to do some research on this first. But yeah, this stuff retails for $29, and I love getting hair care products that I can actually use in my hair, in my makeup subscription boxes or beauty subscription boxes, because we all know the hair care treatments are very expensive. So this was a good product to have received. Okay, guys, so those are all the items that I received in my June Onyx beauty subscription box. Okay, guys, so I loved every item that I got in that box, especially that moisturizing cream. Okay, the value of that just really exceeded the price of the box itself. I am so excited, guys. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. And make sure you click that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. And if you are an existing subscriber, I really appreciate your support. And I will talk to you all soon.